What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Paolo Levy here, and welcome to another vlog. So today we are here at the Museum of Science and Industry. I'm with, of course, the gang. Got Gogo, Ate Goody, of course, Wifey, and yours truly. So today we're gonna be exploring the the Museum of Science and Industry. Yep. As you can see, guys, it's very sunny today. Oh my gosh. So you have to, go out while it's still hot and sunny outside. So that's why we're here. Alright guys, this is big, guys. Look at this. What is up, guys? So we are back. So we are inside, and look at this train right here, guys. That's cool, right? Okay, so we can actually go inside this train, and let's take a look inside. Okay, so take a look at this. This is how big the engine is. I mean, look at this, guys. That's crazy. And I have a little bit of a view on the front side, the driver's seat right there, basically. Yeah. Alright guys, there you have it. That's the tour of the Pioneer Supper, and let's go and see what else we can see from here. Alright, so the security guard just called me out, and she said, I mean, I can do my thing here. I can do vlogs and all that stuff, but I just can't put the tripod. Basically, put it down and then just hold it like how you do a tripod. But basically, I can just hold it and do my vlog basically. So that's good to know, right? Okay. Look at this. They actually have that big submarine inside this museum. And basically, that's what I want to see here. Yeah, it's cool. Yeah, let's do some B-rolls. Okay, so one thing cool about this museum right now is basically it's for free. So we actually got in here for free if you're an Illinois resident. Basically from September 9 to the 13th, I think it's gonna be free if you're an Illinois resident. So you can't beat that, guys, right? So if it's not for free, basically the entrance is like, I think, $40 or something. So right, you can't beat that, right? See that, guys? That's cool. So we have to go down here. It says top secret. So let's keep going down. It is so dark in here. Alright guys, we are here. Look at that. That is a submarine. Dang. That is crazy. Look how big that is. Let's take a B-roll. Look at that, guys. So this is actually a real submarine, guys. Look how big that is. So we're gonna try and see if we can go inside and check it out. Okay, let's go. Yeah, say hi to the vlog. Hello. She wants to go inside, but I don't know if we can go inside. I think you have to like pay to go inside. I'm not really sure. I don't think it's free. Like I don't think it's included on the free, you know, general admission that we had for today. So too bad. At least you guys had a chance to, you know, see it. Look at this, guys. This is an actual torpedo. See how long that is? That's crazy.
The silent suspended
That is awesome. Look at this torpedo. Yeah. So how do you like it so far? Yeah. So now we're going to, I think they have an airplane here also and a train. So let's go. Huh?
Thank you.
Nabasa M?
Yes.
Dive!
No. Not dive. We want to surface.
Something. So we have to go back, guys, and
Anything else?
boom.
I think so.
Main museum floor.
Pretty much.
We're back here. Alright guys, we found the train and the airplane right over there, guys. It's cool. Let's go check it out. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that tour of the, what is this place? Well, basically there's trains and airplanes and whatnot. Let's go over here. They have real chairs here, guys. It's crazy. It's real. They're old though. This is the inside of the cockpit, guys.
340, sir. 340, Charlie, India.
Switch.
8-second golf head traffic.
Huli ka.
Naku, marunong mag-inom. Kahit aeroplano, hindi ako marunong.
It's flying a plane. Crazy. Alright guys, so if you're still here, I appreciate it very much that you're still here and watching. So basically, the museum is closed now. They are open from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. and it's currently 4 p.m. right now. It's actually 4:04. Come on, focus. It's 4:04 right now and they are closed.
Restaurant
So it's 4 p.m. guys, it's still early, so we're still gonna go somewhere, probably a mall. Well, definitely we're gonna go to a mall. But if you guys enjoyed this video guys, just give it a thumbs up, and if you are not a subscriber, please do subscribe, and if you did subscribe, please click that button bell right over there also, so you would be notified if I have a new video. And that said, I'm gonna be ending the vlog here. I'll see you guys on the next vlog. Peace.